Hi everyone, welcome back to Valerine's Home and Gardens. Thanks so much for your support on my channel. I appreciate you. Now let's make some hearty beef heart stew. I'm using half of the beef heart to make the stew. So what I did first was remove excess fat from the heart and the stringy bits on the interior. Then I washed it thoroughly and cut it in chunks. Seasoning time. So because I like using garlic, I added 2 full tablespoons of minced garlic, a little molasses, and my allspice seasoning blend. I have a video on the channel and I will link that for you. Of course I'm gonna cook the beef heart stew in my crock pot. Whenever I get the chance to do that, I opt for it because it allows your food to develop a lot of flavor. And so I put the beef heart in, close the lid, it's turned up on high heat, and then I just leave it to do its thing. It's been about 6 hours now since I put the beef heart or the cow heart in the slow cooker, and it's pretty tender, so I'm gonna add some more goodies to the pot. So what I have in here are some chopped up onions, green peppers, preserved tomatoes from my garden, and some of the tomato juice, along with some roasted green peppers. So I'm just gonna scrape everything in, give it a stir, and because I'm making a 1-pot meal, I am gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add some cubed Irish potatoes and chunks of carrots. Then I'm just gonna stir the whole thing together. And I'm not going to put any more water in here because when I started it, I added about a half a cup of water, and then along the way I added another half a cup plus the juices that I just put in. So I'll just leave it as it is, and I'll cover the crock pot. I am enjoying my 1-pot cow heart stew, and it is good. Now you could have this with plain rice, whether it's brown rice or basmati rice, but if you are limiting your carbs, then this is good enough to have for a meal because it has carrots and Irish potatoes in it. So it's just fine to have by itself. You should try it, guys. It is good. Don't know if you've ever had cow heart before, but the meat itself, to me, has a similar texture to the beef itself. As my son was saying, it's a muscle. So yeah, the meat on the cow, it's muscles, and the heart is a muscle. So I guess maybe that's why the texture is pretty similar. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel and for watching the videos. Please leave your comments below. Have you ever eaten cow heart? How do you cook it? Let me know. Also, leave me your thumbs up and share. And if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscription button. And remember to hit the bell notification icon so you can be notified of new videos. You take care now. I'll see you in the next video.